morning. I'm Arthur de Carpentier from Nexter, in charge of marketing, especially for vehicles and for Latin America. So here in Bogota, we have this nice booth here, presenting first and foremost the systems by Nexter, which are already sold and deployed here in Colombia, which is the 105 LG artillery gun, and many other systems like the medium caliber pods, which are deployed on helicopters, for instance, the Narval, which can be deployed on any warships like OPVs or frigates, and ammunition, of course, because as you know, Nexter is working on ammunition from the 20mm up to the 155mm, including naval ammunitions. And of course, our offer in terms of small robots like the Nerva robots, which are already sold on the 5 continents and that are presented here in Colombia for many different types of prospects and potential customers, like land forces, like the Marines, like the police, like customs, and many others. So as you know, Nexter loves artillery system, and yeah, just to start with the 105 LG used by the Colombian artillery units. So this is the lightest 105 gun in the world, able to fire up to 17 kilometers and to integrate any artillery units and any artillery mission systems, and can be digitized as well. So very useful and very performing for indirect fire, of course, but as well for direct fire up to 2 kilometers. For sure, you can integrate a fire control system, which can be provided by Nexter, of course, with our famous software called FindArt, and as well with the local fire control system. The first aim of this computer system is to avoid any mistake, any error in firing, to avoid any civilian casualties. So this is the first point. The second point is to improve the efficiency of the artillery maneuver, because this digitized system will connect all the units and all the officers in the command post to make the artillery task force much more useful and much more efficient. So César 6x6, of course, our bestseller, we can say. Used by the French Army and combat proven by the French Army, whether in Afghanistan, in Iraq, or in Mali, for instance. So this is a 155 gun, able to fire up to 40 kilometers, many types of ammunitions, and ammunition from Nexter, of course, but as well from other producers, and including what we call the smart ammunition, like the bonus, for instance. And this artillery gun is mounted on a truck. This truck is useful and efficient to be able to drive long and further, and to follow as close as possible infantry unit, for instance, to be able to support and to provide the fire support as close as possible and as fast as possible. César is in service in Asia, and especially in Indonesia, which demonstrates the ability of this system to be efficient in many different type of environment and operational context. Nexter now is working hard to offer this to different countries of Latin America. That might be Brazil and that might be Colombia in the future, but this system was already demonstrated here in Colombia a few years ago, and already proved its accuracy and efficiency in Latin American field of engagement. Indeed, we provide medium caliber weapon system to Colombian Army, especially with the SH-20, which is now mounted on a Black Hawk helicopter. Very efficient caliber and very common, the 20mm, for any different mission, especially like a counter-insurrection mission and homeland security missions. SH-20 was designed to be integrated on helicopters. P-20, so same caliber and same gun, same barrel, to be integrated on land vehicles for land forces, and very fitted for special forces, because it's a manual weapon system and a very quick reaction, quick fire reaction. And as well, we have the pod NC621 for warships, for instance. And to finish with the 20 millimeter, we develop as well the Narval, which can be mounted and easily mounted on any different type of ships, from the small OPVs or small corvettes up to the frigates, as it is mounted on the French frigates of the French Navy.
Good morning. My name is Romain Lebert. I'm the sales director of Nexter Robotics. Today we are showcasing the multi-mission robot Nerva LG. This robot has been sold to the Canadian Army as well as the French Army and many other armies in the world. The Nerva LG is really interesting for Latin America, especially regarding the multi-mission aspect. With one platform, we can connect all kinds of payload on it, from observation to combat to transportation. So it's really interesting for the Latin American market. In terms of multi-mission capability, so for example, it can be dedicated for police forces, but also for firefighters, the bomberos in Spanish, as well as the EOD team, the explosive ordnance disposal. So we have the capability to address all kinds of missions with only one platform. The Nerva LG is very interesting as well in this type of capabilities. We can switch from the tracks to the wheels. For example, the tracks are ideal to climb stairs or to tackle different of non-homogeneous grounds. As well as we do have all kinds of wheels, other kinds of wheels, which are the omnidirectional wheels. So we do have the capability, for example, to scan under a vehicle and to see precisely if there is any threat under the vehicle.